Okay, friends, today we are going to talk about RBI Grade B exam preparation. Like, what are the book list for the RBI? Before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel. Today, the topic is the book list for RBI Grade B exam preparations. Okay, now let's dive into the topic. First, the overview. There is phase 1 exam, phase 2 exam, interview, subject covered in each phase. Okay. The first is general knowledge for phase 1. I recommend the book is Lucent General Knowledge, which is in description. All the book link is in description. Lucent book is easy and understandable, and it covers every subject like history, geography, science, current affairs, science, politics, etc., and economics. The economics is the main thing. Okay. In Lucent, it covers all the things. So I recommend you people to take Lucent. If you know any general knowledge book, you can take it. I recommend is Lucent. The next is Quantitative Aptitude by Arun. Quantitative Aptitude is for mathematics like percentage, ratio, age, etc. It is a comprehensive guide designed for like SSC, banking exam, CAT exam, RBI exam, income tax exam. Okay, which helps to crack the phase 1. So I recommend you to buy this book. This link is in description. And the next is phase 1 for reasoning. Reasoning is the most important thing, because it carries around 60 marks in RBI. So I recommend you take this book called ACE Reasoning. It is for SBI, RBI. You can see RBI. It has over 3,000 to 4,000 questions, practice questions. You can practice. Okay. The next is for phase 1 English, Aryan descriptive English. I recommend to take SP Bakshi. I think even I can recommend you can take this book also, which covers essay writing, expansion writing, report writing, error detection, etc. Okay, and it's competitive exam like IAS mains, state mains, so which it might help you. Okay. Next is for phase 2 exam. This was until phase 1, so this is for phase 2. Phase 2, we are going to take is economic and social issue. I recommend a book is Indian Economics by Nitin Singhania, which is best book for economy. It is a guide for like UPSC, RBI Grade B, which is best for Indian economy. So I recommend you to take this book. Okay, all the book link is in description, so please go through it. Next is finance management, because I'm saying is finance is a separate subject, management is a separate subject. So in phase 2, finance system, Indian financial system by Bharati Vipatak. So it is very knowledgeable, and it helps to pass exam, professional exam like RBI and SBI Grade A. So I recommend you take this book, or if you have any other book, so you can take it. I'm not forcing you, but all the book is in description. The next is management. In management, what is in management? It is book by T.N. Chabra. It is at Foundation of Management, which offers planning, staffing, organizing, controlling, directing, and top level management, Moscow's law, motivation, leadership, etc. All the concept has been covered in this same book. So I recommend you to take this book, which is the best book. Okay. Next we going through is English. The same book I recommended in phase 1. So I'm saying the same book to even to phase 2 for descriptive writing. So it is the best book for descriptive writing, and it also from SP Bakshi. So I don't have any problem. So you can purchase this book. The link is in the description. And for current affairs, and you must visit RBI official website, and any reports for PIB, current affairs, not like current affairs. You must study financial current affairs. You must read newspaper daily. The newspaper RBI recommend is Economic Times. Okay, Economic Times, and you should take mock test and previous year question paper. You should go through previous year question paper. Okay. Of course, tips for preparation, time management, regular revision, taking mock test. Revision is most important thing. You should revise twice a day. Okay, twice a day. And week you can weekly revise. I recommend you take revise twicely and take mock test every week. Okay, after the concept you cover, take a mock test on the separate concept. For example, you covered a concept called planning. Take a mock test on planning. Okay, this is for the video. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. All the book link is in description, so please go and check it. Thank you.